Hello, hello. You're on Tony's Magical Arts and Crafts, everyone. Gonna have to get used to seeing that. Today is the hashtag Deck the Year 2025, being hosted by Penny's Crafty Creations. Please go check out her channel, and please go hit the hashtag down below this video and go check out everyone else's creations. And we're on week 7, everyone. 7. Here is week 7. Because I believe I did this because tomorrow is Valentine's Day. Yes. So happy Valentine's Day, everyone. I've got my lovebirds going on here. Not pretty. So, this image, and this image came out of a cut and collage book. Not pretty. Lots of sparkle there. Sprayed my background again. Used some of my paper scraps, some Dollar Tree lace, put my number, and I think, oh, look at that spray. Look at that. That's beautiful. I just stamped it here and here, and then inked my edges. It's gorgeous. So that is my card for this week. If you want to see what I'm doing next week, or any of my creations on this channel, please hit that notification bell. And if you like what you saw, give me a thumbs up. It helps support my channel. Thank you so much. Bye.